Have you ever pondered the secrets behind monetizing a YouTube channel? Diving into the world of YouTube monetization can seem overwhelming, but it's not as daunting as it appears. Today, we're going to unravel the steps to transform your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. YouTube requires your channel to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. It's a lofty goal, but with consistent, engaging content, it's achievable. Step 2. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've hit those targets, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to make money from ads on your videos, but remember, YouTube reviews each application, so ensure your content adheres to their rules and guidelines. Step 3. Set up AdSense. AdSense is Google's advertising system. It's how you'll get paid. So, create an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. Once approved, you'll earn money every time viewers click on ads or watch them. Step 4. Understand the different types of ads. Skippable video ads, display ads, bumper ads, and sponsored cards. Each has its own way of generating revenue. Familiarize yourself with these ads so you know what's best for your content. Step 5. Make engaging content. It's not just about having ads. It's about having viewers who want to watch them. Create engaging content that keeps viewers coming back. The more views, the more potential for ad revenue. Step 6. Optimize your content. Use SEO strategies to help your videos appear in search results. This includes using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Finally, Step 7. Consider other revenue streams. YouTube isn't just about ad revenue. Think about channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat, and YouTube premium revenue. Diversify your income sources. To summarize, monetizing a YouTube channel involves meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements, applying for the YouTube Partner Program, setting up AdSense, understanding the different types of ads, creating engaging content, optimizing your content for search, and considering other revenue streams. Remember, it's a process. It takes time and effort. But with patience, creativity, and a little bit of strategy, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. So go forth and conquer the world of YouTube monetization.